We're having a bit of trouble acquiring the village. How far up the road is it? Hostiles preparing to ambush along the curved road. They're partially concealed by the trees. Request permission to engage targets in the village. Roger that. Crew, go ahead and take out everything in that village. We got small groups taking up positions along the edge of the curved road. Clear to engage those as well? Crew, track those smoke trails and take them out at the source. Clear a path for our guys. U-shaped building. Armored vehicle right there coming out of the barn. Roger that, Bravo 6. Crew friendlies are leaving the vehicles and moving on foot towards the LZ. Do not fire on any personnel marked by a flashing strobe. Crew, go ahead and smoke them. Man, these guys are going to town. Check your fire, you're shooting at friendlies. Watch for the blinking strobes. Those are our guys. You're firing too close to the friendlies. I repeat, you're firing too close to the friendlies. Watch for those IR strobes. Be careful, you almost killed our guys there. Crew, be advised, friendly helicopters entering the area. Watch your fire. This is gonna be one hell of a highlight reel. Nice. Oopsie daisy. More enemy personnel. Get that guy. Roger, guy moving. Get that person. Okay, he's moving again. Guy running. We got a runner here. Get back on those guys. You can run, but you can't hide. You gonna get him? Personnel right there. Nail those guys. Clear to engage enemy personnel. Light them up. Yeah, but they're only gonna die tired. Check these guys out. I haven't seen anyone run this fast since the Olympics. Yeah, he just fell on the ground. Probably just knocked the wind out of him. That guy's down, but still moving. He's getting back up. Yep, that guy's still moving. He's still moving. We got a moving vehicle here. We got a vehicle on the move. Crew, get the moving vehicle. Yeah, take him out. Yeah, good kill. I see lots of little pieces down there. Kaboom. Shit, must have been a full tank of gas. Confirm, vehicle neutralized. Copy. Roger that. Got him. Yeah, direct hits right there. Alright, you got the guy. Might have been within 2 feet of him. Okay, you got him. Get back on the other guys. Good kill, good kill. You got him. That's a hit. Direct hit. Yep, that was right on target. You got him. There's a guy by that car. There's one by that truck. Enemy personnel near the truck. Yep, he's heading for the ditch. Enemies crossing the field. Enemy personnel on the road. There's armed personnel running out of the church. Nail those guys by the building. Right there. Tracking. Tracking. Hold up and look around here. I know there's a few guys. I saw them flying apart. Scanning. Stand by.
Request permission to engage the vehicles on the main highway. Are those friendlies?
It's shot! Shot! It's shot! Shot! It's shot! Shot! It's shot! Shot! Gun ready! Gun ready! Gun ready! Gun ready! Gun ready! Gun ready! Booyah! Moving back to the vehicles! Got some personnel!
Roger that.
Oh yeah! Nice shot, man! Nailed him! Hell yeah! Nice shot! All settings?
Yeah, I got those guys.
TV, confirm you've seen the church in the town. You are not authorized to level the church. Do not fire directly on the church. Crew, the other vehicles on that main highway are civilian traffic. Do not engage any of the civilian traffic. Heads up. Hostile forces are setting up ambush points along the curved road. Fire control. Do you see the water tower? Over. Roger. That's the one. And next to that water tower is a curved road. Do you see that? Track that road to the next village. You should be able to see another